Bakwatsirwe harimu ddoono bya Katonda olukukulira ekitongole ekitali kya gavumenti ekya Health and Legal Ethics Kizito Raymond Nabimba hamwe na Faizo okuteesa olukweyeta Dr. Dennis ari kugambaho n'abanyamakuru aha office enkuru eza National Drug Authority omu Kampala Abias Rwamwiri omugambirizi w'ekitongole ekirikureebuuza omutindo gw'emibazi omu ihanga ekya National Drug Authority ashoboriire aha kukwatwa kw'abantu aba.
Doni bya Katonda, who was arrested in Seguku in a drug shop, claimed he was conducting HIV testing and treatment compliance on behalf of his NGO, but demanded millions of shillings from his victims in pretense of preventing their arrest by National Drug Authority, highlighting several drug-related crimes that could not even be traced after our inspectors reached at the point. Kizito Raymond and Faizo have been dragging their victims up to our offices of Kampala Extra at a particular photocopying center or document center.
Rwamwiri najirangwa bababire nibeyeta ba inspector b'emibazi aha National Drug Authority nuko kuterera abantu omuranga okwegendesereza no kushwijima abantu abo barukoragana nabo.
The three are now being charged with 2 accounts: impersonation, which is contrary to section 354(1) of the Penal Code, and obtaining money by false pretense, contrary to section 285 of the Penal Code.
And the Uganda police, please come in and support the health workers in the private health sector. Because one, while we are working, while these people are working, there is totally little protection of them from conmen, from impersonators. We at this moment thank National Drug Authority for the quick response when this case was reported.
I myself am a victim. There is a time I sold off my place, my drug shop. At first, they took 400 blocking. Kumbe they are the ones who brought the girl. They came for more 600 to help me get the license of that place.
Doni bya Katonda n'omwe Bakwatsirwe kandi yahakanisa ebiri kumugambwaho.
These people should not lie you. There are incidences of health workers forging HIV results in the community. When we report to these people, they are not even taking action. We who are telling them, they are not doing exactly what they are supposed to do.
Gashakwa na Gudi Fatuma.